My name is Olani Akinla from iPlearner.com. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can be able to request for an instructor on the website. So let's get started. So right now, we just have to head down straight to our browser, and the browser I'll be using is Chrome. And let's launch out our website, which is iPlearner.com. So this is the home page of the website. If possible that you have an account, you created an account as a student before, you can just click on sign in and enter your credential. And if possible that you don't have any account, you can just easily click on sign up. So now I click on sign up account, and we have to fill out all this credential with your valid email address and your password. So let's just get started now. So I just enter my email address and my password. Make sure you retype your password and make sure it's confirmed. Make sure you confirm your password is correct. So if you did not correct the password, you are going to get this mismatch. Make sure that you enter a correct password. So my password is okay. My first name is Olani. My last name is Akinla, and my username is Akinla for life. Oh, sorry. My country is Nigeria, and my phone number is and after you're done with your credential, just click on create an account. After you successfully created an account, we still have one more step to do. Like you can see on the screen, we're almost done. Before you can log in into your you need to confirm your email address via the email we sent to you. So right now we have to head down straight to our email to check the email iPlearner sent to us. So right now, I just go straight to my email address and I got this email right now. Sometimes it might take maybe 1 to 2 minutes, and if possible you didn't get it and you waited for 1 to 2 minutes, you can just easily come on more under your email account. If you are using Gmail, no problem, just click on spam, and if you did not get this email here, you should get it in your inbox. So right now let's check what iPlearner asks for us. So let's click on the message here. Thanks for registering. To complete activation of your account, go to the link. So right now let's click on the link. So after that, we have to click on activate to get our account activated. So right now our account is activated. We need to log in our credential with our email address and the password we used earlier while we are signing up. So my email is and my password. So I click on login. So we just finished the first step of creating our account. As you can see right now that I'm having my my first name written in front of my profile here. And so right now, this is a student account. You can easily enroll to any courses you want, but right now we don't want to see ourselves as a student. We want to start seeing ourselves as an instructor. No problem. So right now you have to come down to the top left bar that you are seeing on the screen that my mouse is. So you have to click on this, and all this menu has to come out, and you just have to come down to click on become an instructor. So I just click become an instructor now. So this page that just came out, we need to fill out all these credentials. We have to fill out the same thing we used during the time we are signing up, and make sure that you as an instructor, you fill every necessary details, and make sure you use your valid details, your surname, your email, phone number, and everything you have to do. Make sure you use everything in valid. So right now let's get started by filling the form. So right now I'm filling my surname. My surname is Olani, and my last name is Akinla. If you have a middle name, you can just fill it, and if you don't have it, you can just make it optional. So my email address is Makatnisham. My phone number is 08136499639. And right now you have to upload any of your government ID, maybe your international passport, driver's license, voter's card, national ID, any of your valid ID. So you just have to click on choose file, and this will actually take you to where you can be able to locate your document. So right now I'm locating my document. So I'm using my international passport right now, so I just click on my password. So yeah, I just click on my passport right now. So you just the next step now is message. So right now you have to send us a message or convince us enough why you want to become an instructor. So right now let me just enter something like I just entered this for the sake of the tutorial. You don't have to send us this like, okay, sorry, you don't have to send us this as I would like to become an instructor. Just send us something reasonable whereby the administrator will see yes, it's cool, that let's approve this, man. Oh, so right now let's move to another level. And the next segment that we're having here is upload any of your qualification or certificate. So right now you have to upload any of your previous certificates, maybe your national diploma, your NYSC, or any of your certified certificate that you have previously, something like this. So at least becoming an instructor, you that want to give out something to a student, like lecturing a student or doing something, you're supposed to have at least something to back what you want to do up. So right now you just have to click on choose file, and after choose file, this is the document that I want to use. It's actually in PDF. And make sure that any file you are picking, make sure it's within this extension. It's either is in JPG. JPG is actually a picture, maybe you capture it. This JPG and this PNG is actually when you use your phone to capture. So that is the extension of this, and this PDF is your document, and DOC is actually Microsoft Word. So it has to be within this extension. So right now, after you click this, you need to fill out your account number credential. And the reason why we are collecting this is that anytime you upload a course on the website, now you have to fill out your account number. And the reason why we are taking this account number is when a student purchase your course you're having on the website, we have to pay you out. So this account number that I'm using here will be the account number we're going to pay you. I'll make sure you enter your account number, account name, and your account and your bank name, and make sure you separate them with comma. And when you're done, you can just go through it again, confirm that your credential is all well okay, and just click on send. And when you successfully click on send, you are going to get this notification that your request was sent successfully. You don't have to resend this form. You don't have to keep filling it, keep sending it. Once you have sent out this, just have to wait for our email. They're going to send you an email if you got approved, that you have successfully been approved. And if possible that you got declined, they are going to tell you the reason why you got declined, and you can make an adjustment and resend this thing again. So until next tutorial, whereby I'm going to start showing you how you can upload a course on the website, your course lesson, create a quizzes, and so many more. Till then, have a nice day.